guys, and welcome back to the last video of this year. This video is great because I want to show you some cookies that are so super delicious. You have to try them. I promise you they're worth every minute you spend making them, and they're also very easy to make. So I hope you give it a try, and let's get started. You want to start out by measuring your cashew nuts. And then you want to go ahead and cut them down a little bit. Just like that. And then you want to put them into a bowl. Next up, you want to add some flour. And a little bit of baking soda. And you want to give it a good mix. Then you want to add all the other dry ingredients. This is some caramel, curd, something. Your brown sugar, your Christmassy spices. And then you want to mix again. All the exact measurements are down below as always. Then you want to take some molasses and add that in. You want to melt a little bit of butter and add that in as well. Some vanilla extract. And now you're ready to mix this. So you want to first mix it with a spoon or a whisk or anything like that, and then you want to go on to kneading it with your hands when it's starting to get like a real dough. And when you're done with that, you want to let it rest for about half an hour. Now you're ready to roll out your dough. And then you can use cookie cutters to prepare funny little cookies. So we had some angels and some stars and some Christmas trees. So just get creative with that. Now you want to brush them with some milk. And then sprinkle them with a little bit more of the brown sugar. And then you want to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes, and they are done. And they're very delicious, super Christmassy. I promise you, these spices are so nice in this. And yeah, I'm just so happy we tried these. I want to thank you all if you watched all of these videos. It was so much work, and I feel so glad that some people appreciate it. And as I said, I will talk to you in the new year. So Merry Christmas!